Hello everybody, it's Planet Earth here. Damn. I know it's not gonna hit as a category 4 or 5, but this thing is starting to say there could possibly be up to 175 mile an hour wind. Now it won't be as quite as strong, but it's still gonna be 160 mile an hour wind gust, which is just insane. Holy crap, dude. So possibly up to 160 mile an hour wind gusts before landfall. Holy fudge, dude. 130 mile an hour. 140 mile an hour wind. Not even if you're not even near the eye wall. Now, I could do the 120, but I don't want to do anything higher than that. Oh, up to 160 mi... Damn, bro. Oh, it's going to be so close to Lake Charles. Lake Charles should get about... Oh, well, that's not too bad. Oh, wait. Because it hasn't updated yet. Oh, this is bad.